So where does that orange, see that orange one? Do you see where it goes?
Right there.
Yeah. Can you plug it in?
That's right.
You have to bend it.
Do a sauce.
Yeah, we're gonna do the steaks next, right? So where do the steaks go? Yep. What do you got there?
10 for your dinner.
Is it good?
Yeah.
We just took it out of the fire, huh?
Yeah.
Who made it for you?
My mom. Mommy.
Yeah, I can't fool him.
Oh, no. One shot you're out. So you just
Do I ever cook?
Sometimes.
What do I make?
Sometimes make sandwiches on Saturday.
Yeah. Am I a good cook?
A little.
Did you say no?
What did you say? I don't know.
A little.
A little bit of a good cook?
Is your mom better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is it, buddy? Did you get any on your shirt?
Really? It's not that noticeable.
Make sure it's brown. That's when it's. Just put it at the ground.
You roasting some good marshmallows?
I have the best way of roasting my marshmallows.
Throwing rocks where? Fun.
I tried to skip some, but I couldn't.
It's hard, huh?
Asa sharpened my stick with his knife.
Oh, nice.
That I can use as a switch.
Terrible.
I can hit the tree. Are we gonna go on a hike?
Maybe.
Not working out. You want to do one? That's cool.
I want to do number. Bishop. Number one. Bishop. 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 Dad, what's Bishop, what's this?
For sure, dude.
Airplanes. One of those.
Oh, I love it. Whose is this?
Bishop, should I have one of those?
Is this yours? You want to try it?
Bishop. Should I? We got ice cream because I got all my smiley faces.
So do you like camping?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
A lot.
A lot?
Like sitting by the fire, for walks, playing kickball,
Playing kickball?
tug of war.
That was fun. Did you like making s'mores?
And I like making the airplane.
Oh, the paper airplanes.
And I like staying up late.